Tacos from out of the sky.
Bye, Royals. Where are we going?
At the little gym.
Yes, ma'am. We are going to the little gym this morning. We got to get her birthday party invitations. Come on, let's go this way. And Daddy's going to work on building her swing set. This house is a mess, but we got to go, Geronimo. Right.
Right. Go. This door?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh, this is the best. This is the best. Air track. I think jumping is her favorite. I don't know. We are going to have the air track at her birthday party, so this will be fun for all the kids. Whoa, there it goes. Where is Scarlett? Where is Scarlett? There she is. There she is. Everybody's favorite ball time. Is it ball time? Oh. Scarlett. Scarlett. Be sweet. Woo! Stamp? Oh, let's see this one maybe. It says Superstar! Yay! Scarlett's trying out her playhouse for the first time. How are you liking it? Oh my goodness, look at you! You're such a big girl! You're such a big girl!
Yeah.
These two hard-working men.
Magnet.
You go, girlfriend.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Is this Scarlett's playhouse? Are you gonna have picnics up here and tea parties?
Sure, I got a picture of Mike sitting up there saying, look how strong that is. And it ain't even all the way together.
Yep.
Oh, I mean, your daddy was sitting up here a while ago when you was sleeping. You didn't see that though, did you? Uh-uh. You went to sleep on us. Oh!
Oh my gosh, you're gonna dance up there?
Mosquito spray.
Oh.
That looks like
Is it leaking?
that is on the inside of you.
No.
No. Okay.
That's the outside.
Sasha likes it.
That's That is the inside. I was like,
Sasha got a doghouse.
that side, right?
The masterminds here at work. The masterminds.
Now you make sure you're on the right side for the
Yeah,
door latch.
I'm
Okay.
Michael says 2 days. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy.
Well, it's going a lot faster now than what it was.
yeah, it was.
We
We're
got-
running out of parts.
Oh, okay.
Number 6 by 1 itty bitty wood screws.
Number 6.
They're running out of parts and look at all of these. Oh my goodness.
2 of them.
Hey miss, do you have any pies for sale? Could I have a cherry pie?
You have a cupcake?
Oh, I can have a cupcake. You sell cupcakes? Yes, please. Ah, is that a strawberry cupcake? It is delicious. I love it.
Somewhere else.
What?
Get somewhere else.
Can I have a glass of milk, please?
Okay. First, you need the cup.
Oh yes, I need a cup for my milk.
Well, that's some fillers.
Oh, that's so good. Oh, do you have coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, you know I love coffee.
Get a cup.
Can I get a cup? Can I get some almond milk in it, please?
Well,
Oh.
wait a minute.
Get some I get some
Oh,
almond milk.
thank you. How much do I owe you? How much does it cost? Is it $1? Here's $1. Thank you. That is the best coffee I've ever had.
Bye. Bye bye, airplane.
Bye-bye, airplane. What else do you sell in your restaurant?
I smell steaks they're cooking.
Do you sell steak? No, I didn't think so. Do you sell tacos?
Tacos.
I do love tacos.
Tacos.
Oh, tacos! Yum!
Open your mouth and close your eyes.
Tacos are delicious.
It's raining tacos.
Thank you. Oh. Ooh, do you like putting the door onto your cottage? You see him?
It looks kind of funky. Monkey.
But actually, I think the road is
That's where it goes.
Oh, wait a minute.
I gotta measure it. Can you hang on to it?
Looks like another piece on top of that door. See, up here. Is that another piece?
Nope.
there?
Nope, that's on there.
Our garden out here is kind of drying up. My flowers are still doing really good, but next year, I don't know what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to get like bigger cages for these tomatoes. I thought the little colored cages were so cute, little purple and the blue, but they are not holding up quite well. I just picked a whole bunch of tomatoes. The peppers are really growing good. I think I can pick some of those. I got some okra here, doing pretty good. But my tomatoes got kind of dry. I don't know what happened. One really just got ginormous and she's been leaned over for a long time. My basil, I need to pick some of that. And I think I got a big zucchini over there. I don't know where my child went. That's actually doing pretty good. Basil is flowering. I guess I need to use that more. We're not too big on basil for that. I think I got some fresh mozzarella. That sounds really delicious, actually. At least she played in the water just a little bit. I came out there to film you. Okay, it's all right. You're good. Where are you going? Garden fresh salad here. Scarlett's jigging the mozzarella. Fresh mozzarella. Yummy. Is that good? We got garden fresh soup. Rice. Yummy. Cherry Republic wine. Well, not really, but glasses. That's what you got right there. You want more juice in yours?
Jessica.